Welcome to JH. I gave the Medilisk eye roller a spin, and the first thing I noticed was the cooling, soothing sensation under the eyes. The roller glides on smoothly, and the formula absorbs faster than your motivation on a Monday morning, leaving absolutely no sticky residue behind. After using it consistently, the morning puffiness actually started to retreat, and those dark circles, the ones that usually make you look like a sleep-deprived raccoon, finally began to lighten up. It leaves the skin feeling hydrated and refreshed, giving off that "I actually slept 8 hours" vibe, even if you spent half the night scrolling through pointless videos. What's truly impressive about this tool is how ridiculously easy it is to use. It takes only a few seconds to apply, and the cooling effect feels like a mini spa treatment for people who don't have the time or the budget for a real one. It fits perfectly into both morning and evening routines without causing any irritation. Overall, it's a high-quality product that delivers real benefits for tired eyes. It has officially earned a permanent spot in my daily routine, mostly because it makes me look significantly more human and slightly less like a zombie before my first coffee.